Stop ruining your hairs. If you're a hijabi and struggling with hair fall, frizz, or rough hairs, this video literally saved your hair. Girls, if you wear hijab daily, you already know the struggle, sweaty scalp, flare hair, breakage. I've been there too. But after trying so many things, I finally found what actually works. Step 1. Understanding your hair. Before using any product, you need to know your hair type. Oily hair, dry hair, combination hair. Step 2. Rice water. Rice water is one of the underrated hair tip ingredients. It's packed with minerals and vitamins that work best for your scalp. First, rinse through water to remove dirt or impurities. Place the rice in a bowl and add 2 cups of water. Let it leave overnight. Strain the water into a clean bottle. Optional, you can add rose water. Aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule for shiny, bright hair, and it's ready to use.
This is your reminder that healthy hair is not about expensive product. It's about consistency. And you can make your own hair mask. Dry your hair and moisturize it with lotion.
The secret step, hair oiling. If you skip oiling, you are missing out big time. Use any best oil is a total game changer for your hair. It is packed with sulfur, which boosts production and moisturizes your scalp. Message the oil on your hair and scalp. Wait for 1 hour at least before you wash it off. Wash your hair double if your hair is oily or dirty. First, remove oil. Second, wash clean properly. Weekly hair mask. Hair masks are like food for your hair. DIY mask recipe: 1 egg, 2 TBSP yogurt, 1 TBSP oil. Diet and hydration. If you want strong, thick hair, protein is a must, like egg, chicken, yogurt, spinach, so I make a healthy sandwich for my breakfast. And for healthy fats, take almonds, walnut, and seeds. Don't skip healthy fats. Dehydration can make your hair dry, frizzy, and weak. Scalp massage. Perform a gentle scalp massage daily using your fingertips. Additional tip, using any good hair oil to promote blood circulation. It removes stress and promotes hair growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what's your biggest hair problem.